Hi, my name is Aldrin Dela Cruz, and now let's create a program which you will be using flow layout in Java. So let's start with importing our libraries. Import java dot awt dot asterisk semicolon. Next is next library javax dot swing dot asterisk semicolon. Next is the import java dot awt dot event dot asterisk semicolon. Next line is we declare our class or our public class fl, which stands for flow layout. Next is we declare our jframe. Let's name it as app. Next is our main public fl, and then open brace. Now we create new jframe or frame, and then next is we declare JLabel. Let's name it as JLabel. Please select letter A. Next is after declaring our first JLabel, we declare our J button. It should be B1 new J button. We will declare 5 J buttons, which means we can copy paste this and copy this and paste it to 4 times. One more. So here let's edit our J button. Let's do this as letter A. Change this to letter B, to letter C, letter D, letter E, and change the variable name to B4, B3, B2, B1, and B. Excuse me. Next is we declare or we add the buttons in our JFrame. The app add B. We can also do copy and paste this to 4 times for B1, B2, B3, B4. This is just to make our program faster because we have a lot of J buttons to perform. Next is the J label, which is the J in line number 8. And then next is we add an action listener to our letter A, B1. That add action listener, new action listener, and open brace public void action perform action event E, and then close. Then we do string, we do add our string data equals HTML. Next is we set this label to, or this text to J1, set text. Then we close our string, and then close again. Now for open parenthesis, we close the parenthesis, and then end our action listener. And then next is, let's set our default close operation. Jframe dot exit underscore next is we change the layout, set layout to flow layout. Next we set the size of our frame, set it as 500 width and 500 height. Next set it as visible, can close. And now let's we end our first set of codes. Next is we call our flow layout, which starts with public static void main string args. Then let's call our flow layout or fl. And then we end our program. So next is we need to save this our code first. Let's save it as fl.java. Next is let's try to run it in our command prompt. Java C fl.java. So we have two errors in the line number 19, which is the string. We need to capital the letter S. And the next error is the J1. We haven't declared any J1, so we need to declare J1. Now declare J label as J1 equals new. And I think we need to remove this B1, the number 1 in our line number 18. And then next, let's try to run it again. I think we have no errors. Now let's call our program. And now if we click the letter A, the string J1 you choose the correct answer will appear.